Well, hello there, welcome back. This time I decided to play in some colors. So, if you want to see how I came up with this glueless sleigh, stay tuned.
I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to be taking a look at another wig. This one's from Sensationnel, the Butta Lace collection. This one is the Butta Unit 8 in the color Flamboyage Chocolate. First off, I cannot begin to tell you how beautiful this color is. I just can't believe it. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my goodness. So this unit is supposed to be undetectable HG lace. It blends with most skin tones. Ear-to-ear lace with 5-inch deep hand tie parting area. It's pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, and it's supposed to be a natural density hairline.
Total of 3 combs, so 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. Adjustable straps. And of course, that middle part. Okay, don't look too bad. That's just beautiful.
And if I didn't tell you already, this is a synthetic unit. As you can see, I'm pointing out the sign next to me. It says sub to OlenaRosanne. Yes, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so we get that out of the way off top. Now back to this unit here. See, this is a drastic difference from what I'm currently wearing right now, and that is a headband wig. So 2 different colors. So I'm hoping this color looks great against my skin. And as for glue or spray, not using any of that now. I may not even use a wax stick, but I am for sure going to use this wig grip, because for this particular unit we're going completely glueless. So let me go ahead and get this brand new wig grip out of the package, and of course I gotta take this wig off so I can put the other one on. See? Wig cap on, and let's go ahead and get into this, and I'll let you guys watch.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know
Okay, so far, let me tell you, this hair is beautiful. It is soft. There wasn't many knots or anything like that. It didn't catch any much of anything with the brush. These highlights here, these golden highlights that just are kind of hidden, but if the wind blows, they'll show. Are so beautiful. There was really no shedding whatsoever. This hair is not all itchy, scratchy on your neck, so you don't have to worry about getting a rash off of wearing this wig. The color of the lace is a decent color. It blended in pretty well without me even putting on this powder. I'm just doing it just to be doing it, I guess. And I'm a little oily right now, but anyway, that's besides the point. I didn't have, like I said, I didn't have any shedding. These curls are beautiful. I mean, they don't have to be perfectly in place to just flow nicely. Um, there isn't really any layers in here. It's pretty much all one length, but it's not too bad with the density of this hair. And so, as you see, I'm going in with this powder here. And I know I said I wasn't going to be using any glue or anything. I'm not gluing it down. No, I'm not putting spray on my forehead, but you will see me in just a moment go ahead and use this wax stick. I also said I wasn't going to use, but you know what? There's just a bit of flyaways here, just a bit. I just want to, just make sure they weren't going to go anywhere. I'm not going to take a hot comb or anything to it because I'm lazy right now, don't feel like doing it, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this comb. And you see how nicely it smoothed that down with just that. But after that, I decide, you know what, let's go ahead and put some that's got to be on the brush and just brush it through. That's another way to get those flyaways in check, as you can see. So it's beautiful. Y'all, I love this unit. I love how it looks against my skin. I don't think it looks too overly wiggy, in my opinion. You guys let me know what you think. Do you like this unit? Would you order it? Would you wear this color if you're my skin tone or even if you're not? Other than that, I'm pleased. I'm posing a little bit, take a few pictures, because I feel good. Anyway, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know that you want to see more content from me regarding wigs or just any other hair, beauty, and lifestyle content. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.